Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. My name is Peter Oluoch. I'm a stock market researcher and investor. I talk to people about the stock market, telling them to save, invest, and grow wealth. Why should you invest in the stock market? Why the stock market? Why the stock market? Okay, why invest? This is the simple reason why you should invest. You see, if you save, let's say you save 35 shillings every day, or you save 1,000 shillings every day, for 30 days, not for 30 days, for 12 months, it will be 12,000, right? If you save that 12,000 and you repeat the process for 10 years, it will be 120,000, right? Now, there's a thief called inflation. Now, inflation basically means the prices of goods keep going up. The prices of goods keep going up. Now, inflation basically means that when you have 100 shillings today, okay, let's say you have 100 shillings in January, by the end of the year, it will not be 100 shillings. It will be 96 shillings because inflation, the thief of money, will have stolen 6 shillings. Inflation is about 6%. So then why should you save? Or why should you invest? If you save, the thief will steal it. But if you invest, it grows quickly and outruns the thief. That is the only reason you should save. You should save and invest. If you invest, money grows quickly and it outruns the thief. So that in the years to come, it still has its purchasing power. The second reason why you should save, invest is this. I consider savings as a man having a sterile hen, a hen that cannot produce eggs. A sterile hen, that is savings. So you get money, you buy the first hen, sterile. You buy the second hen, sterile. You buy the third hen, sterile. You buy the fourth hen, sterile. You buy the fifth hen, sterile. And you buy 10 hens that are sterile. That is savings. At the end of the year, you have zero increase. What about investing? Investing is buying a hen that is fertile and produces eggs. So month 1, you buy a hen, produces eggs. Month 2, you buy a hen, produces eggs. Month 3, you buy a hen, produces eggs. Month 4, you buy a hen, it produces eggs. After 12 months, you have 12 hens, and all these hens are producing eggs. And these hens, let's assume each produces 10 eggs. And all of these eggs hatch into chicks. Now, after 1 year, you have 12 hens times 10 eggs each. That is 120 eggs, roughly 120 eggs. So, and they hatch into chicks. So these chicks, they grow into hens, and you have 120 hens in the second year. Now these 120 hens, again, they keep repeating the process. So we have 120 hens, each produces eggs, 10 eggs each. So 120 hens producing 10 eggs each, you end up with 1,200 eggs, which turn into chicks. So the third year, you have 1,200 hens. That is investing. Now, this 1,200 hens in the other fourth year, they will produce 10 eggs each. So you have 1,200 hens producing 10 eggs each, which turn into chicks. So you have 12,000 chicks which turn into hens again. So you have 12,000 hens after, let's say, 4 or 5 years. Assuming you didn't eat any of them and none of them died. But what if you are saving? If you are saving, you'll just have 12 sterile or infertile hens. That's year 1. Year 2, you add more 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. As saving, you are assuming one hen is 1,000 each. So year 2, you have another 12 hens, all of them sterile, not producing anything. Year 3, you have another 12 hens, all of them sterile. So year 3, you have 36 hens. Year 4, you add 12 more, you have 48 hens, all of them sterile, not producing anything. So investing the other side, you have 12,000 hens. In savings this other side, you have 48 hens. So which one is wiser? Which one is wiser? Should you have 12,000 hens or 48 hens? Which one is wiser? Which one should you do? Without a doubt, you should invest. I'm reading a book, Jim Cramer, Real Money. Jim Cramer says this: why you should invest is very simple. You should invest because our salary is limited. The money we get, whether you are doing a salary, you are doing a job, you are working and you are getting paid a salary, or you are in business and you are getting some income, that money is limited. That money is small. It is too little. All employees will complain, my salary is too little. So then what do you do with this too little salary? This is what you do. I've given you example of buying hens, but in this YouTube channel, we don't buy hens, we buy stocks in the stock market. So sample this. 10 years ago, you bought Safaricom, it was just 5 shillings. Now Safaricom is not 5 shillings. Now Safaricom has grown in price and it's about 38 shillings. So your 5 shillings has produced more 5 shillings. Now they are almost 5 shillings. It has grown 800%, or it has grown 8 times. That is what investing does. But if you saved it under a mattress or in the bank or in the circle, your 5 shillings will still be 5 shillings. If it has grown, it would have grown to maybe 6 shillings. The growth in the circles, the growth in the banks, the growth in the insurance companies, the growth is too small. The growth in the stock market is big. This is what Jim Cramer says, Real Money. Jim Cramer says the main reason why you should save is because hard work at your job isn't enough to make you rich. You have to invest to make that happen. You have to invest to make yourself rich. If you invest well, you should almost always beat the return you get from your day job. This is what he says. If you invest, you will get more money than your job. You will get more money than your salary. And this is what he says. He started investing, and after a period of time, his money grew to $90 million. $90 million. With $90 million, my friend, why should you still be working? That is the best reason to fire your boss and tell him, thank you, I don't need your job. Bye. If you're new here, subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you're not in our Telegram group, join our Telegram group. That's why we talk the stock market 24/7, telling you to save, invest, and grow wealth. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Are you investing in the stock market? Give me your feedback. Yes or no? Are you investing in the circle? Give me your feedback. Yes or no? Thank you so much. See you in the next video.